Sabar kiwa bonsi koira dibaga rio koene kia chinga kichige mbure nyinga gendate koene kiwa ngospe kabare emete unenjere moyo Okorenda Ebinto Bitoetanaine na bego kurwania ogwonjereria kwerire
Recho nigo alikuya kwana aya asomuyiga bokwena na ebyegwa okia ase bali babekire omukia Okorenda Bitoetanaine umanyekanete buna First Lady Mazingira Awards Flama imeye nyomba enkeyo Burai imeye county ya Nakuru.
Continue to plant, to nurture and to believe, knowing that every seed, every act of care brings us closer to achieving our goal of 15 billion trees. In support of this national goal, my office has committed to plant and grow 500 million trees by 2032, inspiring families, communities, and schools to take part in nurturing Kenya's green legacy. By nurturing young environmental champions, we are preparing them to inherit a greener Kenya. We are empowering them to build it tree by tree, idea by idea, action by action. Ladies and gentlemen, today, as we celebrate the winners of the 2025 Mazingira Awards, we are not just handing out trophies. We are passing on a torch of responsibility, creativity, and leadership to the young champions of this nation. When we trust our children with responsibility, they rise to the occasion. Our children are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they are the change makers of today.
Today we come together to celebrate the next generation of young environmental leaders who have proven that age is no barrier to making a meaningful impact. We in the counties also recognize a unique opportunity to nurture environmental stewardship from the earliest stages of learning. Since early childhood education, development education is a devolved function